Hi guys, the title of this video, this is my first video. The title of this video is Bloomberg Excel add-in installation. I got a ticket where I said like I need Bloomberg Excel add-in. I log in as local administrator, install it. Installation was successful. Logged out and then logged back in as a user. The Bloomberg Excel add-in wasn't there. Okay. I again go to the exe file, right click on it, shift right click and then give my admin credentials, install it. Installation was successful. Still, when I launched the Excel, the Bloomberg Excel add-in wasn't there. Okay, so finally the trick is that the Bloomberg Excel add-in is linked to the user profile. So if you need to install a Bloomberg Excel add-in, you need to give admin rights to that user. Once that user has the admin access, so you install it, you double click on it, run it. Once the installation is successful, then you can see the Bloomberg Excel add-in under the Excel. Once the installation is successful, make sure you do not forget to revoke the local admin access for the user. Thank you so much. Bye.